If you've been seeing ads for the Optim Ring popping up everywhere, claiming it can track your sleep, monitor heart rate, manage stress, and even detect early signs of illness, it's easy to get curious. But before you rush to buy, let's break down what's really going on here. On paper, it sounds like a powerful health gadget that could transform how you monitor your body. But when you look closer, a lot of questions come up. For starters, the product page gives very little technical detail about how the ring actually works or what kind of sensors it uses. There's no clear info about the app or software behind it, which is a big red flag for any wearable tech. The website itself feels sketchy, with exaggerated claims, a lack of credible sources, and suspiciously perfect customer reviews that don't seem genuine. What's even more concerning is that near-identical rings are available on wholesale sites like Alibaba at a fraction of the price, suggesting this might just be a generic device slapped with a fancy brand name. The biggest issue? None of the health claims, especially the ability to detect illness early, are backed by any scientific proof or clinical trials. This is important because relying on inaccurate data could be harmful, especially when it comes to health monitoring. While the ring isn't necessarily a complete scam, it does track some basic biometric data. Like any fitness tracker, it falls far short of the impressive capabilities the marketing promises. So if you're thinking about buying the Optim Ring, be cautious and don't expect miracle results. It might just end up being an overpriced accessory that doesn't deliver on its big health claims.